Welcome to BrainBot, your AI-powered learning partner. Here, we explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, science, and technology through stories that make learning exciting and easy to understand. From the birth of Al in 1943 to today's advanced machines that can think, learn, and create, every video on BrainBot takes you deep inside the technology shaping our future. Whether you're a student, a tech lover, or just curious about how machines get smarter, this is your space to learn, think, and grow. Subscribe now.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, the technology that now powers our phones, cars, and even the internet itself, didn't just appear overnight. Its journey began more than 70 years ago with scientists, dreamers, and computer pioneers who believed that machines could one day think like humans. Let's travel back in time to 1943 and uncover how artificial intelligence evolved from a simple mathematical idea into the powerful technology we use today. In 1943, two scientists, Warren McCulloch and Walter Pitts, created the first mathematical model of a neuron. This model showed how electrical circuits could imitate brain cells, the very first idea that machines could think. Then in 1950, British mathematician Alan Turing published a famous paper titled Computing Machinery and Intelligence. He asked one powerful question: can machines think? Turing also introduced the Turing test, a way to check if a computer could imitate human intelligence so well that people couldn't tell the difference. By 1955, computer scientist John McCarthy and his team began planning the first conference on artificial intelligence. The dream was officially born. In 1956, the Dartmouth Conference took place, the event that officially gave birth to the field of artificial intelligence. John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Alan Newell, and Herbert Simon all came together and declared, machines can be made to simulate human intelligence. Early programs like Logic Theorist and General Problem Solver could solve math problems and logic puzzles, something never done before. AI was growing fast, and many believed that truly intelligent machines were only a few years away. But soon, they realized, thinking like a human was much harder than expected. By the 1970s, AI researchers faced a reality check. Computers were too slow, memory was too small, and their algorithms failed to solve real-world problems. Governments cut funding, projects were canceled, and optimism turned to disappointment. This period became known as the first AI winter, a time when AI research nearly froze. In the 1980s, AI came back to life thanks to expert systems. These were programs designed to mimic the decision-making of human experts. For example, the Xeon system helped configure computer orders for Digital Equipment Corporation, saving millions of dollars. Japan also launched a massive project called the Fifth Generation Computer Project, hoping to create super-intelligent machines. This decade gave AI a new wave of hope, and companies began investing again. But history repeated itself. Expert systems were expensive and hard to maintain. They couldn't learn new things, only repeat what was programmed. By 1987, businesses stopped funding AI projects again. This became the second AI winter, another period of slow progress and low confidence in artificial intelligence. During the 1990s, computers became faster and cheaper, and researchers began using machine learning, where computers could learn from data instead of being directly programmed. In 1997, something historic happened. IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. For the first time, a machine beat the best human player in the world. Then, in the 2000s, AI became practical, powering spam filters, voice recognition, and recommendation systems. In 2011, IBM Watson won the TV quiz show Jeopardy! By understanding questions and answering them in natural language. The world started realizing AI was truly coming alive again. In 2012, everything changed with deep learning. A program called AlexNet, created by Geoffrey Hinton's team, used neural networks to recognize images, and it crushed all previous records. This was the moment modern AI was born. From 2014 to 2018, companies like Google, Facebook, Amazon, and Tesla began using AI in speech recognition, image processing, and self-driving cars. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant became common in homes. AI could translate languages, create art, write stories, and even beat humans in complex games like Go, when AlphaGo defeated world champion Lee Sedol in 2016. By 2018, artificial intelligence had transformed from a lab experiment into a global force, shaping industries, science, and our daily lives. From McCulloch and Pitts' simple neuron in 1943 to AlphaGo's world-changing victory in 2016, the story of AI is one of curiosity, failure, persistence, and progress. And this is just the beginning, because the future of AI depends on us, students, thinkers, and dreamers, who will write the next chapter of this incredible journey.
Subscribe now and